we talk about innovation. It's what we do. It's what we live and breathe to do. So we come here to be with dreams, and we leave here to be doers. You know, you never know what new technology is also emerging. You know, you look at it, it's like, well, maybe it's intended for this, but we know perfect application within our organization. We can bring that in and actually improve our capabilities or improve our processes or shorten lead times or reduce costs. Because it's, you know, it's competitive out there for everybody, and you know, everybody wants our business and we want all their business. So we always have to make sure to never be a step ahead. We always want to be 4 or 5 steps ahead. And we talk about thinking outside the box. We don't even like thinking outside the box. We like to redefine the box. We'll put together 3-4 meetings on the run up to the IMTS show, make sure we got all the players on board. We have a process that we established a long time ago. You know, we come down on Monday afternoon, we're on the show floor till they kick us out, pretty much every day until they kick us out. That's where the dreamers and doers come together, because we dream, but we also do a strategic plan. Like I said, it's kind of our company culture. I think dreamer and innovation are very much hand in hand. So for us, a dreamer is we just think about what's possible, not if it's probable. Nobody understands your business better than you do. So when you come here, you understand your business, and you start looking at what the offerings are there. So now you have all these people and all these businesses and potential partners all brought into one area, and it's like a smorgasbord. I mean, there's everything here that you could ever possibly imagine or want.
Fly, drive, or crawl here. This is the show with legs. Join the movement where dreamers and doers connect.